Hi everybody, my name is Liz and this is my little girl, almost 5 weeks old. Her name is Winnie. And I just wanted to share a little bit of testimony about how we came to nurse. She's my fourth, but my first girl. And when I was in the hospital, she latched right away as I was, right after she was born. And then I noticed in the first day or two that she would latch and then pop off and cry, and she wouldn't nurse very well. And she was pretty fussy, so I knew she wasn't getting very much milk. So I came to see Leilani when she was 2 days old, and she diagnosed a lip tie, a tongue tie, and buckle ties on her cheeks. And that was on a Friday, so I had to wait till Monday to get them reversed or revised. And so we got those done when she was 5 days old. And by that point, we had to introduce finger feeding with a syringe and a tube because she wasn't able to nurse off of me. So I was pumping, and then I had my mom and husband here to feed her, finger feed her. And after we did the finger feeding, we moved to bottle feeding. This was probably a week and a half into our journey. And as we were bottle feeding, she was able to use a breast flow bottle, which helps her to suck the way she should at the breast. So when we were doing the bottle feed, she started to develop the ability to suck really well. After that, I was able to latch her on with a nipple shield and a feeding tube at the breast. And that was a huge accomplishment because before then, if I tried to latch her at all, she would scream because she didn't know that that's where her food came from. So after we were able to do the supplement with the nipple shield, Leilani helped us latch, and we've been nursing ever since. It's been about a week and a half, and she's gaining well and nursing well, and all is going really well. So we're very excited and blessed and happy.
And she's no longer using the nipple shield.
No longer using the nipple shield. She's straight at the breast. Exclusively breastfeeding now.
Yeah. Thank you.